Hi! To use screen off gestures on your Realme 12X, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone. And here, scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Additional Settings. Here is it how it looks. So click on it to open, and now go to this tab which is named Gesture and Motions. Here is it how it looks. And now we would need to move on to this tab named Screen Off Gestures. So I'll open it, and here mostly you'll have this feature disabled. So to enable it, we would need to click on this gray slider at the right edge. And here for you will open a lot of interesting features. So first one that we got here is double tap to wake or turn off screen. So if we will turn off our phone and then double tap on black screen, your phone will light up. Then here we got these two interesting features, which are draw O to open camera and also draw W to turn flashlight on or off. So because these two features are enabled, let's test them. So I'll turn off my phone, and now I'll draw, for example, O to open the camera. And now you can see that the camera has appeared on my screen. So let's go back and try it with the flashlight. I'll a little bit turn the phone so you can see the flashlight. And now we need to draw a V letter. And you can see that the flashlight has light up. So let's turn it off with the same gesture. And now it's turned off. So this is a really cool feature. So let's go back to that tab and take a look what more we can find there. So next thing that we got here is a music control. Here you can see a full description with all of the gestures for music playback. For example, you can pause or resume music playback, or skip to the next song or previous one with the help of gestures on the turn off screen. Here we also got more interesting feature with different letters and gestures, for example M, W, and we can easily enable them by clicking on this slider, which has been gray and now it's blue. So let's also take this one. Got it? And now by clicking on each of these two, you can easily change the action for this exact letter. So for example, on the W, instead of the launch recorder, we can choose unlock, call, or open an app. So I'll choose open an app, and here select, for example, Google Chrome. And now let's test it. So I'll turn off my screen and then draw W. Now we would need to enter our password, and the Google Chrome has appeared on our screen. This is a really cool feature, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.